Hey guys, I don't feel so good. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'm at Waffle House at late night, because for some reason I always end up at Waffle House really late at night, so there's the sign, born under the sign of the Waffle. Yeah, look at that pie, man, that looks delicious. Quick recap of the weekend. We went to Looking Glass Falls, Waffle House, smoke everywhere. Going up to Looking Glass Falls again, and this time the car's a little bit more packed for a little while. I got Brandon Blizzard, hey, and Brittany Dale's in the car, and then Wes is driving. You remember Wes? Wes is a douche.
He's really sexy.
I'm a douche. He's a douche. And Kay's in the car too. And we're listening to really, really loud music, and it's an albatross or something like that. Horses over there. We've been out here before. We've seen them peeing.
This is how women.
I'm from the woods, so we were just like.
So I'm used to it. Except I'll take it all off. I don't care.
This is what I'm changing into.
Brandon's going into the woods to pee. We're going into Wes's house, and Wes's house is awesome. Well, it's actually his grandparents' house. Really?
Hey.
Huh. It's the dogs.
Don't let Cricket out. Don't let her out.
Cricket?
Cricket.
This is my favorite.
It's my favorite one is Greta.
Yeah.
Greta's my favorite.
Greta.
I don't know this one.
That is Cricket. I keep thinking it's Pickle, but it's Cricket.
Cricket. Hey, Cricket! Cricket!
She likes to poop right where you're standing because she's like, oh, it's within 5 feet of the puppy pad. I stepped in it last night.
We had to stop at a gas station because Nathan needed to get gas, and we came out behind the gas station, and all of a sudden, there's an emu there. It's an emu and an ostrich.
And a duck.
And some ducks. Big ducks. Woo! Woo! These things are fierce monsters.
This cage. You are the truly free animal. Go and be free.
Goodbye, Steph.
That was well timed.
I know.
I think it's gorgeous, though. Look at those eyelashes on that thing. I bet it would look so good with mascara.
Finished up at Looking Glass Falls, and that waterfall is powerful and cold, just like it was last week. And yeah, there's Brittany and Brandon. There's a bear. And there's Wes. And then Kay and Nathan and Caitlin are over there. Little delayed reaction. Yeah, we saw it.
Way over there.
There was a huge salamander right over behind Wes's head.
I can't think of a way to
Right over there. It was right in that hole there. Do what now?
I said I can't think of a way to describe it that's not inappropriate, so I'm just not even gonna try.
It's not inappropriate.
And now in something entirely unrelated. Belch.
No.
Tilt your head back and belch. Just do it.
No.
Just come on, for the sake of...
I don't want to.
I'm gonna make it explode.
Oh, God.
Do it.
Boo.
Don't worry about the colors. Okay,
That's
your
the
turn.
colors of the explosion that we saw. What?
Belch.
That looked purple.
So I'm no longer at Waffle House. I'm actually leaving Waffle House now. And going to go back, finish editing some of this so it can be up on YouTube soon. Yep.